Welcome to AI News Pulse. Here's what you need to know.
Welcome to AI News Pulse, where we break down the biggest developments in artificial intelligence and what they mean for business, education, and the future of technology. Today, we're talking about a company that has generated enormous buzz in the AI world, Thinking Machines. If you've been following AI news, you've probably heard the name. Even though the company is relatively new, many industry insiders are already calling it one of the most important AI startups to watch. So what is Thinking Machines? Why are investors paying attention? And what could it mean for the future of AI? Let's dive in. So, what is Thinking Machines? Thinking Machines is an AI startup founded by former OpenAI Chief Technology Officer Mira Murati, one of the key leaders involved in developing some of the most influential AI systems of the past several years. When Murati left OpenAI, the AI community immediately began asking, what's next? The answer appears to be Thinking Machines. The company has attracted significant attention because of the experience and talent behind it, including researchers and engineers who have worked on cutting-edge AI systems. So, why are people excited? Here's why the tech world is paying attention. AI development is increasingly being led by a handful of major players. OpenAI, Google DeepMind, Anthropic, Meta, xAI Thinking Machines enters the scene with leadership that understands how frontier AI systems are built. That means many investors and industry experts believe the company could become a serious competitor in the next generation of AI. While the company's long-term roadmap is still developing, the stated vision has focused on building AI systems that are more useful, more understandable, more aligned with human needs, easier for people to collaborate with. That's important because the future of AI isn't just about making models bigger. It's about making them more reliable, trustworthy, and practical. Here is what this means for business. For business leaders, this is another sign that competition in AI is accelerating. And competition is usually good news for users. Why? Because it often leads to better products, faster innovation, lower costs, more choices. Companies using AI may soon have even more powerful options to choose from. The AI race isn't slowing down. Every major AI company is trying to answer the same question. Who will build the most useful AI assistant? Not just the smartest model, the most useful one. The winner may not be the company with the biggest model. It may be the company that helps people solve real-world problems most effectively. Here is what to watch. As Thinking Machines grows, here are a few things worth watching. New AI model announcements, enterprise and business partnerships, research breakthroughs, safety and transparency initiatives, competition with OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, and xAI. The company is still early in its journey, but expectations are already high. Here is the bigger picture. The emergence of Thinking Machines highlights something important. We're no longer watching a single AI company lead the market. We're witnessing an entire ecosystem of innovators competing to define the future. That competition could shape education, healthcare, business, scientific research, and the way we work every day. Here's the bottom line. Thinking Machines may be one of the newest names in AI, but it's already one of the most closely watched. Led by experienced AI pioneers and entering a rapidly growing market, the company represents the next chapter in the race to build powerful, practical, and trustworthy artificial intelligence. Whether it becomes the next major AI powerhouse remains to be seen. But it's definitely a company worth keeping on your radar. If you enjoyed this episode of AI News Pulse, share it with someone interested in AI, innovation, and the future of technology. And I'll see you next time on AI News Pulse.